Welcome. In this video, we will explore informational keywords, one of the most important keyword types in SEO. These keywords are crucial for attracting an audience seeking knowledge and building trust with them. Informational keywords are search terms people use when they want to learn something, not necessarily buy something. They usually start with words like how, what, why, or best ways. These keywords help websites attract users in the awareness stage of buyer's journey. The goal is to educate, build authority, and establish trust. Examples include what is SEO, benefits of drinking green tea, or how to bake a cake. These searches shows the user is seeking information, not making a purchase. Informational keywords have medium to high search volume and are often more competitive. They usually form part of long-tail keywords, making them specific and highly targeted. By targeting informational keywords, you can create blog posts, tutorials, videos, and guides that attract organic traffic and position your brand as an authority. Even though they are not buying keywords, informational keywords warm up potential customers. When users trust your advice, they are more likely to buy from you later. You can find them using keyword tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahref, SEMrush, or Ubersuggest. Look for question-based searches and topics relevant to your site. When targeting informational keywords, write in-depth content, use clear headings, and answer the query completely. Include visuals, FAQs, and related keywords for SEO. A big mistake is using informational keywords with purely sales-focused content. This breaks trust. Always focus on providing value before promoting products. Informational keywords educate users, bring in organic traffic, and help build trust. They are essential part of any SEO strategy focusing on long-term growth. Thanks for watching. Start adding informational keywords to your content strategy today. For more SEO tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.